Welcome to Sirappu Suvai. Today we'll make a very tasty green apple chutney. This is called green apple thokku. It is very tasty and very healthy. It is full of vitamin C, so it is good for health. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. If you don't get green apple, you may use red apple also, provided it is a little sour. Then it will be very tasty and not like jam. Grate the apple. There is no need to peel the skin. Grate it and place a pan on the stove and add 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil to it. Generally oil will not be so tasty for this. When the oil is hot, add the grated apple to it. Keep the flame on medium and saute for a couple of minutes so that the apple and the oil mix well. After about 2 to 3 minutes, cover it and leave it for 5 minutes for it to cook well. After 5 minutes, you can see that the apple will be well cooked. It will be soft. It will be soft like this and it is well cooked. At this time, add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of red chilli powder. Half a teaspoon of red chilli powder will do because it should not be like pickle. It should not be very spicy like pickle. So, add the salt and the chilli powder and add half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and saute well for 2 to 3 minutes. When it will be done, it will take only 10 minutes to make this green apple thokku. It will be very tasty. You can take it with bread toast, you can take it with dosa, you can take it with upma, and you can take it with chapati. It will be very tasty and it is very healthy. So I am sure every one of you are going to try this, enjoy it and comment without fail. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe. Choose the bell icon and choose the all option, and you will get notification for all the videos that I post. So you can make all the recipes without missing them and comment without fail. Your comment is a great support to the channel. Let's meet in the next video.